Good morning, students. Hope you all are well. So we are discussing the chapter work and energy, and we have already discussed about some of the energies. So today let's see the electrical energy and the sound energy. Okay, so start with the electrical energy. So electrical energy is the most useful energy because it is our everyday or daily use, right? And without this electrical energy we cannot even think of today. So the sources of the electrical energy are the cells and the generator. Cells means the battery. So it can be used to run some of the equipments, different kind of equipments like television and fans and some other electrical appliances. And electrical energy is mostly produced from coal. Okay, next is the sound energy. So the sound is a form of energy that is produced by the vibration of the objects. Okay, so you know how the sound is produced. So sound is also energy, and it is produced by the vibration of objects. So sound is produced when a force that causes an object or a substance to vibrate, means whenever there is vibration, then the sound will produce. So a string vibrates when you pull and leave it immediately, right? Like the string of the guitar. So some sources of sound energy are music system, musical instruments, radios, etc. Now, different kind of energies are there, and every day we are using this kind of energy. But we have to conserve the energy also, because for our future, right? Okay. So you have seen different forms of energy in our those are very useful in our daily lives. Our need of energy is increasing day by day, obviously, and the increase in the population also adds to the demand, right? So we cannot even think about our life without all these energies. So our sources of energy like coal and petroleum, these are limited. Okay, today we cannot produce coal because it takes a millions or thousand years. So there is a danger that if they may get used up, then what we will do? So that we have to choose some alternative way of the energy or the alternative sources of energy. Okay. So there are so many times when we waste energy. We should be energy saving people and save our precious resources, and some of the ways in which we can save the energy that are, let's see what are those. So instead of using room heaters in winters, we can sit in the sun. This is also provide vitamin D to our body, then we can save the energy at that time, right? So do not leave the lights and fans on. Turn off the car engines while waiting for in the signal, means in the red light, to turn green at the traffic signal, because sometimes we are means in signal, if jam are there, so we have to wait for 15 to 20 minutes or sometime more than that. So at that time we can turn off the car engines, right? So that we can save some of the very little, but that also energy. So switch on the geysers when they needed, only when they needed. Switch off the TV if no one is watching. Switch off the power button at night rather than turning off the remote. Use energy efficient bulbs, and at temperature the AC should be regularized. Extra cool modes use more energy. Moreover, they are harmful to our health also. Okay, so in this way we can conserve our energy. Next is the difference between work and energy. So what is the difference between work and energy? Work is the ability to provide force and a change in distance to an object, movement of the object. And energy is the ability to produce or create work. Okay. Next, there is only one type of work, and there are different types of energies: solar energy, heat energy, electric energy, all this. Okay.